Hello and welcome to another DJI Neo Drone video. Now today I am not in Marske, but the video is in Marske. I decided to go for a wander around Marske, and there is a video on my channel, so go and check that out. And it does have some of the drone footage in it, but I wanted to show you a little bit more, obviously the bits where I mess up and the bits where I put into the actual video, just so you can see it's not always perfection. In this video, what I wanted to try and do is be a bit more brave. I wanted to get some shots of me walking down the beach, but I wanted the sort of the sea to be one side and obviously walking along the beach, so you kind of got a bit of both. So I was trying to get the camera in sort of a decent angle, so the gimbal was angled down and it was sort of behind me, and I was trying to get sort of just walk with the controller by my side on cruise control. I was using an ND16 filter. And what I wanted to do was I wanted to walk, and I wanted the drone to be just right behind me the entire time. And obviously the first shot you can see I'm walking along, the cruise control is slightly too fast. So as I'm walking, the drone's more or less sort of above me, so you don't actually see me in the shot, you see other people. It's a little bit dark. I probably shouldn't have used the ND filter, and I'm not using it. For the people that are watching these videos, these obviously videos were recorded maybe a couple of months ago. So I'm trying not to use the ND filter if possible. I'm trying to use the actual settings on the drone itself to try and bring the brightness and everything down. So the shot was to try and follow me as I walk in, to implement it in the actual video that I recorded for my channel. So obviously you can see in this video it doesn't go too well. I try a few variations on it, and I just wanted at least 15-20 seconds of sort of a sequence that I could sort of film me walking on the beach with my GoPro, and then obviously then goes up high and shows me walking along the beach as well, just different angles. So that's that one. Now the next one you'll see, the building that you can see in the distance is called Cliff House. Now the idea was to bring the drone up and try and angle the gimbal down when it got to a certain height, and then I wanted to fly it towards Cliff House, get so far near it, and then angle and bring it all the way up. So you see the Cliff House and you see the sort of the beach, but then it sort of angles up, goes over Cliff House, and you see all of Marske in the distance and possibly a bit of Saltburn as well. So that was a plan there. So as I was bringing it up, everything seemed to be going well. It seemed to be going up as you can probably see on the screen, and I just thought this is a great shot. All I need to do is angle the gimbal down and then just see all the rest of that. But as I got so far, I actually moved the stick, so when it was going up, it actually sort of went to the side and kind of ruined that particular flow of shot, which was quite annoying, as you can probably tell. So yeah, so then I was just thinking, what's the best shot? What shot's going to use? Because obviously the Neo battery life is 10-15 minutes depending on the weather. So I needed to try and think of what I need to do. I needed a beach shot. I needed a nice high up angle shot of Cliff House and the surrounding area. I kind of wanted to then turn it round, which is what I do. Turn it round and start flying it so it's going over the beach. So the beach is here, the sea's here, and kind of just have a nice slow shot going over the beach, going over the sea, as if it's going out to sea, but obviously not too far. So I tried doing that, but as it was going along, I kind of then thought, is it going to have one of those flyaway things? Is there going to be a reflection on the sea and it's going to confuse it? It's going to like do its thing where it sort of flies off. So I only do it so far, but I just thought it would be a nice shot to put in. To be honest, if you look at the footage, I think the ND filter kind of ruins it a little bit. As I say, I'm trying not to use it now. If there's any sort of movement with the drone, it tends to put imperfections, it blurs it, it distorts it. So there is a little bit of distortion in the sort of the video, this video, and one's probably following it. But I am learning throughout. So obviously the later ones that I'm recording sort of last month and now, I'm trying not to use a filter. I'm listening to what you're saying. Someone mentioned if you film in 1080p at 60 frames per second, you can still use a filter, but is it the EIS stabilization, the electric stabilization? It tends to work better at a higher frame rate. Which is a shame because it would be good at 4K at 60 frames or higher. But yeah, so I am trying to sort of do a bit different things, but obviously they're in later videos. So yeah, so I'll show you a little bit more of this footage and I'll come back in a minute. So that was just a little bit of footage while I was at Marske, just by the beach, just trying to get some different shots, just having a little bit of fun with the Neo, as I tend to do, seeing the beach, the water, the sort of the architecture and everything, and the sort of all of the beauty in the distance. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed that video. And next week's video, I'm going to be going around a church and trying to do an actual sort of an orbit round it. And I kind of have a few mistakes, try and figure out the distances and everything. So don't forget next week to check that one out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and I'll see you later. Bye bye.